Hey guys, this is Charlie from detootoys. To be honest, this is my first time to record a video to show the products, to show myself that I'm a person behind the computer. And so if any pronunciation mistake, if any grammar mistake, or if the content is not interesting in you, or I'm not nice enough, I beg your pardon. Okay, let's come to the point. For my first video, I bring you guys these robot friends. You can see the color box. Okay, let me introduce what he can do for us. For example, this robot can sing, he can dance, he can tell a story, and the most special feature is this robot can cleaning as a vacuum. Okay.